This is my video response to Brotherskeepers111's video about what you have for a bedside weapon. Up until a couple weeks ago, this was mine. It's a Springfield XD 45, and I kept it in a gun vault security box right here on my nightstand. And it had a TLR1 Streamlight light attached to it, weapon light. And I was always afraid that in the heat of the moment, in a panic, I might not be able to punch in the right code to get my weapon out. It kind of worried me. So I decided to go with something else, and this is what I decided to go with. Some of you probably already seen my other video. It's a Winchester SXP Defender. It's a 12 gauge with an 18-inch barrel. And I mounted my light to it so I can shine it down the hallway if I hear a bump in the night. So I've got 10 rounds of double-aught buckshot here, and I would hope that would get me through any emergency that I would need it for. Thanks for watching.